Please tell us. I will tell you only out of the greatness of my heart.
I'm there with you, buddy.
I was walking in the park. Shortcut to Molly's. A bird swooped down, pooped on my shoulder.
Oh! That is horrible! Okay. Well, my story wasn't just a walk in the park. It was a matter of life or death. So it was I do believe it was Monday, May 17th, 1989.
1 second. I've got to go wipe my tears.
Okay. So, like I was saying, it was May 17th, 1989. Me and my grandmother Delilah, Roseanne, we were having a nice little picnic in the park. But this park was a dog park. And, well, so we were eating, and I was eating a watermelon at that time, and she was eating some cantaloupe. Cantaloupe was her favorite.
Is this the bird that attacked you? Did it leave a feather in your hair?
Oh, I took that from it. I took that from that bird. After, of course. It came down. My grandma just took a bite of cantaloupe. Oh, she was like, oh, it's so good. And I just told her that I love her so much for her taking me on this. And next thing you know, she was gone.
She was?
With a bird!
The bird took her! Yes! What's in it? What's in it? What was it? What kind of bird was it?
I don't know. I don't want to talk about it.
It's okay.
We've never seen her since. We've never seen her since. And I wanted her to be there with me whenever I get married. And whenever she died, I wanted to say something at her funeral. But now, I don't know if she's dead or not. Man, that's all I have to say.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Was that the bird?
That looks like the vicious bird that just took my grandma! Oh, grandma! Oh, mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, grandma! How could you come back for me? Get these birds out of here! No, birds! We've got to go take care! We've got to go take care of that! We've got to go take care of that! Don't forget grandma! Don't forget grandma! Don't forget grandma! Oh, let's go take care of her! Oh, we got to take her! Get in the shower! Attack of the birds! Attack of the birds! Oh, my grandma! Oh, my grandma!
Oh my goodness! Get down!
Oh, my grandma! Shut the birds! Oh, my grandma! Oh, my grandma! My poor old grandma. I'm so glad to be back with you. Oh, Hannah, I'm so glad to be back with you. And what's your friend's name here? Oh, her name is Klein. Hey.
I hope the birds, they don't take my
No, birds! 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 Birds!